Hey, this is Katie here at Juvly. Today we're treating some underarms. So we're treating for hyperhidrosis, which is basically excessive sweating. So today we are using Dysport on our lovely patient here.
How many units of Dysport do you normally use for hyperhidrosis?
So today we're using 300. So the reason that we do this treatment and why Dysport works is basically when you're injecting the Dysport or Botox into the area where you sweat, it's blocking the communication between your nerves, and they're not able to tell your body to sweat, so it stops you from sweating.
Getting Dysport injected in my armpits doesn't hurt at all, just quick little pinches. It takes like 15 minutes.
Typically there's really no downtime. It hurts for a tiny second while it's happening, and afterwards it really doesn't feel like much of anything. And typically we'll do this treatment every 6 months.